Hi, I'm Dr. Dave Hudson, and this is this week's Coffee Conservation Minute. So, throughout the Caribbean last week, the groove brain coral Diploria labyrinthiformis spawned, which means that it released its gametes into the water column, and then those developed and settled out on local reefs. This is really exciting because this is a way that corals increase the genetic diversity and the gene flow between reefs. It makes reefs hopefully a little bit more resilient to climate change and more resilient to diseases that are ravaging reefs throughout the world. And this is something that happens with every species. What's really neat about Diploria labyrinthiformis is that it is a daytime spawner. It spawns right before sunset. This is a really strange thing because normally if you're releasing these high energy pieces of food, you want to do that at night, and a lot of corals do. The other thing that's used by a number of conservation organizations throughout the Caribbean is that they will collect this and grow them up in the lab to then deploy new genetic types out on the reefs. So these are projects that are done locally, and we have two organizations that we support that do this within the Caribbean: Seacorps International and Remote Ecologists. Seacorps International is advancing the technology behind this work, and they're also doing work throughout the Caribbean. Remote Ecologists is more geographically focused and doing this in northern South America, in Colombian coral reefs in the national parks. So if you have an inkling to help support us, choose one of those two organizations. And I think I'm out of coffee, so I'll see you next time.